We are going to swimming there. That's because you're on the rocks.
How far are we going to have to walk out to swim then? I don't actually think I want to swim in this.
Why?
It's fucking freezing.
It's not freezing. It's not even cold.
Excuse me, quiet area. 1, 2, 3.
You gonna go for it? Go on then. Oh, go on! Yeah, are you gonna put these back on after? Yeah. Go on then. 3, 2.
Oh, I can't do it on a countdown.
No. Alright, do it then. Come on. 2, 1. Woo! Well done. Ah, so nice.
Same time. Look at that dribble.
Thank you.
Good boy, thank you.
Goodbye, lake. Oh dear. Just going to have a... Oh, okay, they're in a public place. Well, yeah, we're just going to get dressed and showered, and dressed, and then we will be having some drinks. Going for some drinks. Down the pub.
Affectionate.
I'm being affectionate.
See, the pub, where are we?
After a bloody trek, starving.
Very hungry. Yeah.
We've got a nice. Yeah, but everyone's having, and then you get mine. Oh shit. So cute. That would be so sick to swing from. Shall we?
If you want.
It's cold!
Freezing.
Oh, what do you want to do? What do we do then? I kind of want to give it a go. But I want to get in first and then jump.
Yeah.
You know? Because otherwise I'm just going to go into shock.
Yeah.
Cool, okay. Go. Holy shit. Oh, why am I doing this?
Just don't tip the boat.
Oh god. No, I can't do it. Can't do it. Yeah. Oh my god. Well done.
That is fucking cold.
Are you okay?
Yeah, that was well deep. I just kept going down.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's scary.
That was cool though.
Good.
Oh, look how far my
Oh shit! Oh shit! Well done. I don't think I'll be able to do it.
It's not. It doesn't look high until you jump off and
Yeah.
then start falling, and then you're like, ah, shit.
Yeah, no.
There is a higher one.
Holy shit! Yeah, that's high. Yeah, no, I wouldn't.
It's off that one down there then.
No. Fuck that.
Yeah, I mean I would, but I don't know what's under there, so I'm not going to do that one.
Like that?
Who would you tell? That's a chiller. Oh, that's loud.
Oh! That's it. Bye! Oh, off we go. Back to shitty old boring steak.
Yay.
Oh.